Hi guys, welcome back to my video today. Today is my first video and I'm going to read a book for you guys. My channel is just for like weird stuff, random stuff, and yeah. So hope you guys will love it, and I will get on to the video. So I'm gonna read a book. We're in a book. We're in a book. Thank you. And shocked. Piggy? Yes. George? I think someone is looking at us. Oop. I can't say that, but yeah. I can't say that word. It's inappropriate, so I can't say it. Someone is looking at us. Who is looking at us? A monster? No, it is a reader. A reader is reading us? How is a reader reading us? The reader is reading those world bubbles. We're in a book. We're in a book? That's so cool. We're in a book. We're in a book. We are being read. We are being readed. Oh, I have a good idea. I can make the reader say a word. You can make the reader say a word? I can. The reader is reading out loud. Yes, I am. That's a good idea. That is so fun. That's a funny idea. Here I go. Hee 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 hee. So funny. Banana. Classic. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Did you hear that? He he he. I'm gonna scoop over some so you guys can see that. Oops, sorry. Did you hear that? He 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 he. The reader The reader said, he 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 he. Banana. Ha 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 ha. Oh, the reader Oh, the reader said it again. Ha 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 ha. So sorry. He 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 he. Banana, so funny. That would be all tonight. But I hope you guys have a great night. And yeah, I will finish that tomorrow, maybe. But yeah. There's really nothing to do in my house. But where I am going is fun. Watch tomorrow. It's so fun. So, love you guys. What should I call you guys? Comment down below. I love you guys so much. Bye. I just can't say I love you guys so much. Bye.